Got time for one more?
Yes, good.
I'm just going to say a few words
Yes.
from the 18th century. You know that I was there so long ago, your spirit friend unseen. I sparked the candles on your first green tree. I saw a light then, clear and pure, shining in your fresh new eyes. How dim it has become. That's it.
Oh, that's it.
That's it, folks.
All right. Let me do just a little thing here. Now go on.
You know that I was there so long ago, your spirit friend unseen. I sparked the candles on your first green tree. I saw a light then, clear and pure, shining in your fresh new eyes. How dim it has become.
What does that do?
Well, certainly changed it. It seemed to make me more, less chopped up. Part of the thing that I have trouble with, of course, is in doing this kind of thing, I feel, too restricted in my...
All right. Let's watch this right here.
Ah.
There you are. What does that do?
Everything.
Does that make a difference?
Yeah, I never thought of that.
That little thing right in here.
Huh.
There you are. Now take a walk. Just watch this and take a walk and see what happens.
I think that's the way I'm supposed to do it. Lighter. Because that takes everything up.
The release of something in your throat right here is the thing that keeps you from doing that.
Yeah.
See that? Let's try it once more. Now it's right through here. Now go on and speak and walk.
You know that I was there so long ago. Your spirit friend unseen. I sparked the candles on your first green tree. I saw a light then, clear and pure, shining in your fresh new eyes. How dim it has become.
And then this'll do that. So this will be doing this. This all works together.
Yeah.
And move on up there.